Hello guys and welcome back. And yes, I'm back from the shops, back from the hustle bustle, and I survived the traffic and the parking and all the craziness that goes along with it, and my wallet kind of survived, you could say. So I don't know about you guys, but I always end up spending way more than what I should for Christmas, whether it's on people or on myself, or yeah, just getting crap that I don't need because I'm out and about and I'm doing that extra shopping. So I'll quickly share with you what I got when I went out shopping. So I did end up picking up some of this wrapping paper. So it's actually double-sided. I did do a reel on Instagram last year with it, and I thought I'd get a different one this year. I wanted the neutral ones to go with my neutral sort of decorating that I've got going on. So if you haven't seen it, I'll give you a quick look right now. So this is what it looks like. I do have a new painting as well. That's another house update. And yeah, so it is an absolute frightful mess in here. I just cleaned up the car. Of course, it's all in that basket, just mind you, but this is how it looks. It's very neutral and very pretty, and I absolutely love it. If you haven't seen the video of how I decorated and my tips, go and check it out. But yeah, I love it. And of course I went to my Christmas kryptonite shop. Does anybody have a Christmas kryptonite shop? You know that shop that you go into and you always walk out with something? That is Bed Bath & Table for me. Either Easter or Christmas decor, they just smash it out. Like, it is so pretty. So I ended up with this little doggy. Oh my gosh. How much does he go with my home? And you know what it reminds me of? The Grinch, the dog of the Grinch. Even though he's like very neutral, he's still so cool. So yeah, I don't know where I'm going to put him, which I usually know where I'm going to put things before I buy them, but yeah, I don't really know where I'm going to put him, but I just think he's really cool. Anyway, I'm going to get into the Christmas wrapping first and share with you my fancy Christmas wrapping. To be honest, I just sort of like wing it. So the only bad thing about this, I'm going to say, is I find it is like a thicker paper. So when it comes to like folding and stuff, it's a bit harder and it can become really messy. So there is a little bit of an art to it. But yeah, so I'm going to do that, and then we're going to go outside. We might do a little bit. I've got to put a couple of Christmas decorations out. I want to declutter some of my Christmas stuff. And I might just do a quick organise the drawer. I do have a few house updates I want to share with you. So let's just jump into it. Okay, I could seriously cry because look at this. I am pretty much out of sticky tape because my daughter has wrapped all the Christmas presents and used ridiculous amounts of sticky tape. So God knows how far I will get with this. But anyway.
When you first said it was over, yeah, it all went black. Didn't get any closure, like a heart attack. But then you came back with flowers, explaining for hours how you intend on winning me back. How could I have known you were still half detached? And I hoped things would change, but I know where you were last night. Yeah, I know what you did last night. I can smell her all over your t-shirt. Pull the knife straight out of my back. Next time, do a better job and cover up your tracks. I can smell her all over your t-shirt. I bet you didn't think I'd be strong enough to leave you. I'm all for second chances, but I'm not that dumb.
Okay, these are from me and the elf, and if anybody knows what these are, they are disgusting. They are the Harry Potter jelly beans. There's like vomit flavour, dirt flavour, boogers flavour, but there's also normal ones in there as well. So I'm going to put these in here. So I'm basically going to just kind of write a note in here just saying that Christmas is forgiving, and why not give everybody a little bit of a laugh at Christmas and play a fun little game. So she can use these on Christmas Day and give them out, and it's a bit of a challenge whether you get a nice one or a yucky one. It's just going to be a bit of a family talking point, I suppose, and a bit of entertainment. So I'm going to pop these in.
Last night.
Okay, so this is how they look. Honestly, they looked way better last year. But anyway, as I said, it's quite hard to work with. It's like almost like cardboard. But yeah, you can do some really, really cool things. I did a bow last year that came out really well. This one just looks dodgy as shit. But anyway, this one here, I wrapped, and I've got writing on the inside. So I'm hoping that she doesn't rip it apart. And yeah, that is how they have all turned out. I don't think you need to be really good at gift wrapping to be able to pull something off with this. Honestly, if you just get the folds right. But yeah, definitely check out my reel if you want to see like gift cards and stuff that I've done, because they came out way better last year. Okay, so I did say before this, I did have some house updates. So this was one of them, obviously, is this painting. So I wanted something that would bring a little bit more color into this room, but I wanted it to go with my cushions and stuff. So I did want some neutral kind of color. And then I also wanted the green and some white. I feel like I haven't quite hit the point yet. You can see there is a little bit of green there, but it's mainly like a blue, which I kind of didn't want, but that's okay. And then this color here, I think it's just not the right brown. But anyway, I might end up moving it to another room later on, or I might just keep it. I don't want it to be too matchy-matchy. That's why I got something with a heap of colors in it, but had a couple of the colors I'm using, so it's not too full on. But anyway, what I need is your opinion. Should I leave it in this spot? Obviously, I'm gonna hang it up higher, or should I move it to this spot here behind the back of the couch? Now, originally I was gonna get a mirror to go in here, but if I did that, it'll be too much. I might even get bag hooks if I do that, but I don't want it to look messy. So I'll show you what bag hooks I'm thinking of. But yeah, a friend of mine said to do it on this wall. I don't know. What do you think? So I'm gonna put it back and I'll show you. Obviously it's gonna sit up higher. I've just propped it up with a skateboard at the moment. So you get somewhat of an idea. And that is from this angle. I'll move around a bit so you can see. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Giles has just come back with a heap of Christmas presents from her cousins.
Oh, and I also got
haven't you?
aerial puzzle.
Yay! This is the other not so exciting house update. We have an extra bin because we now have like cans and bottle collections, like the 10-cent collection. So it's just going in here. And this is going to be Talia's pocket money. Just thought I'd mention this because I did bump into someone when they were shopping and they were trying to work out where to put things. And I had this in my trolley, and yeah, we got talking. She's saying how much a great idea it was. So thought I would share it with you. I also use these as green bins as well. So when Talia was younger, she used to help a lot out with the gardening and stuff, and she couldn't reach the top of the green bin. So I ended up just purchasing one of these little ones, and then she was able to put the green waste into that bin. So okay, I am up to decluttering my Christmas stuff. I don't know if I'm going to sell some of it. I've got to just check it out. It might just be worth donating it, but yeah, it is a perfect time to go ahead and declutter and sell anything that you want to sell, because if you try and sell it after Christmas, nobody is going to be interested.
You always find me here when the world thinks that I've disappeared.
I got 2 weeks left of Christmas, right? Like, do I bother? That's the question. Like, it feels like a lot of effort for 2 weeks. Oh, this is what I put on the presents last year, and that looked really cool.
Look forward to growing old, 'cause I'll be old with you. Oh, I'll be old with you.
Okay, I'm actually really shocked. That's all I'm really got to declutter. I was like, what? And then I could even do a DIY with this and pull the bunny off, because it's a cool wreath. Yeah, don't know, but I think I'll just get rid of the candlesticks. This here I don't love, and it's not in my colour scheme, but as you can see, like, it would be fairly dust proof, so I could probably put it outside when I do my patio area, like just to decorate it, because it won't get wet or anything. So I might actually hold on to that for that area. And I think I'm going to get rid of the light up cone. You can see it's missing bits there and it doesn't even light up anymore. So
The garden in the summertime and pick you flowers in the rain or shine, just because I can, or just because I can. Waits the night. The sun waits the day.
unfortunately some of my Christmas stuff come off this side, so you can see my little wonky imperfection. Anyway, it doesn't matter. If you want to see DIY on that, I will try and remember to leave that video in the description box below for you, because I did DIY this. Majority of it was from Kmart and the Reject Shop, to give you an idea. Of course, I've got my little Kmart boxes. They do light up, so the solar panel is down there. I'm hoping it gets enough light. Oh my golly gosh. The poor cat. You're gonna let him go?
Put on Demi.
You're gonna let him go now? Let him
What
go.
does he look like?
Let him go for a walk so you can see what he looks like. Hi, Benny. Dim. Just leave him. Leave him. Dim. Puss, puss. Oh, we are going to howl for this. Oh, my boy.
Let me see.
Oh, my little man. I know, he's... Don't get too crazy. Don't get too loud because he gets scared. Dim. Can I have a look at you as an Alfie? Can I have a look at you as a Mr. Alfie? Okay, I'll take the head thing off at least. No, don't tell us, it's mean. This is the next job and it looks like death because I kind of gave up on it. I went to get some sticky things I've seen people use. It must be an Amazon product because I cannot find it anywhere. I thought it's okay, I just use blue tack. I've looked for blue tack and it's missing. It could be in this jungle, who knows? Okay, it looks a sight better than what it did. I'm really happy with it. I'm actually debating whether I just put all the stuff from the craft room like on my side in these, because what has been happening is I've been recruiting items. So I'm thinking that it might be a good idea in the future. But yeah, we will revisit that idea later on, I think. Anyway guys, I hope you all have a great Christmas. This is probably maybe going to be the last video or the second last video before Christmas, but definitely my last Christmas type video that I'm going to have out. So I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Definitely let me know what you want to see in the new year and I will catch up with you for a new video very shortly. I'll see you then. Bye.